Good morning, second PC students. Today, let us go to the exercise 7.11 exercise continuation. Okay. So yesterday, some model problem. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Property problems are completed. These property problems. So today, this is today very important. Integral of modules problems. Integral of modules problems. First one, d by dx of mod x is equal to plus or minus 1. d by dx of x is equal to 1. d by dx of minus x is equal to minus 1. So mod x is what? X less than 0 means mod x is equal to minus 1. X greater than 0 means mod x is equal to plus 1. So integral mod x dx is equal to x mod x by 2 plus c. X mod x by 2 plus c. So integral minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2. Problem number 5. Integral minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. Mod of x plus 2 dx. So integration mod x is equal to x mod x by 2. So here mod x is equal to what? X plus 2. Here x is equal to what? X plus 2. Here mod x, this is the modules function. Okay. So here x means x plus 2. So x into mod x plus 2. X plus 2 into mod x. Mod of x plus 2 by 2. Here integration of mod x is equal to x mod x by 2. Here x plus 2 is taken, for example t. Mod t is equal to t mod t by 2. Okay. Over the integrals minus 5 to 5. First apply the upper limit, next lower limit. First, what is upper limit? 5 plus 2 into mod of 5 plus 2. Mod of 5 plus 2 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? Minus 5. X is equal to what in lower limit? Minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 into mod of minus 5 plus 2 by 2. So what is the answer? 5 plus 2 7. Mod of 7 equals 7. 7 into 7 by 2 minus 5 plus 2 value. Minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2 equal to minus 3. Mod of minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So 49 by 2 plus 9 by 2. So 58. 58 means 29. Value is 29. Next integral. Integral 2 to 8 mod of x minus mod of x minus 5 dx. So what is the answer? Integral mod x. Integral mod x is equal to x mod x, x mod x, mod x, x mod x by 2 over the limits 2 to 8. So that is equal to, first apply the upper limit. 8 minus 5 into mod of 8 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 into mod of 2 minus 5 by 2. That is equal to 8 minus 5, 9 by 2. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Mod of minus 3 plus 3. Plus of plus 9 by 2. that is equal to 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is equal to 9 ohm. Next another one. Integral 0 to 4 mod of x minus 1. Integral 0 to 4 mod of x minus 1 dx. So same procedure, homework. Okay. Next, okay, the homework. Next one. This is the one type of problems. So when did you use this process? When we have to use this process? The derivative of x mod x, the derivative of x is 1. So for example, x plus derivative 1, no. X minus y derivative 1 minus 0, 1. X minus 1 derivative 1. No. So this type of problem, so we have to apply this formula. Otherwise, another procedure. Okay. Next. Next another one, second model. Integral 0 to pi mod cos x. Integral 0 to pi mod cos x dx. Here the derivative of x, x means what? Cos x. The derivative of cos x is 1. Is 1? No. Minus sin x. So this problem we have to apply the second method, actual real method. What is the method? First, let mod x here, this is taken mod x. So let x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to what? Comparing mod x is comparing with mod of cos x. Mod of cos x comparing with mod x. So x is equal to what? Cos x. So cos x is equal to 0. Equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 degrees. Cos 90, 0. Okay. So by the property P2, what is the property P2? P2 property. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. This is the P2 property. We can apply. We have to apply the property P2. So here c is equal to what? Pi by 2. So this integral convert into 0 to pi by 2. C is equal to what? Pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 mod cos x dx plus integral pi by 2 pi mod cos x dx. Separate, splitting the integrals, splitting the integrals, two types, 0 to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 to pi. So 0 to pi by 2 means 0 to pi by 2 is a first quadrant. First quadrant range 0 to pi by 2, second quadrant pi by 2 to pi, third quadrant pi to 3 pi by 2, fourth quadrant 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So in the first quadrant all positive. So all are positive. So first 0 to pi, first integral 0 to pi by 2. So mod of cos x change into cos x, because don't write modulus, because is fixed in the 0 to pi by 2 cos x. Mod cos x means what? Less than 0, x less than 0, minus x, x greater than 0, mod x is equal to plus x. So here in the 0 to pi by 2 limits, in the limits 0 to pi by 2, mod cos x is always positive, fixed, because in the first quadrant all are positive. Next pi by 2 to pi, 90 to 180, 90 to 180, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos x all silver, second quadrant silver, sine, cosecant positive, remaining are negative. So in the second quadrant, negative, minus cos x dx, minus cos x dx. So that is equal to integral cos x is equal to sin x 0 to pi by 2 plus minus sin x integral cos x 0 to pi by 2. So first upper limit to lower limit to minus plus minus sin pi by 2 plus minus minus sin pi by 2 minus of minus sin 0. So minus sin x minus sin pi by 2. So plus into minus minus. Oh sorry, 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. So minus sin pi minus sin 90. So sin 91 minus 0 minus of 0 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Integral 0 to pi mod cos x dx is equal to 1 plus 2 minus sin pi is equal to 0 minus sin pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is the next one, another one. This is very very important one. Integral, okay, important today, all problems, each and every one important. Integral minus 1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. Integral minus 1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. Derivative x cube minus derivative not 1, anything, any variable. So same procedure. What procedure? In mod inside value equal to 0. Mod inside value, what is the mod inside value? X cube minus x is equal to 0, x common, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 0 or x square minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 1 means x is equal to plus or minus 1. No. So x values is least minus 1 no, plus or minus 1, 0, 1 and higher limit to 2. 0, minus 1, next 0, next 1, next 2, 4. So this integration split into the number of integration. First least 1 minus 1, Okay, least next 0 minus 1 to 0 mod x cube minus x dx plus integral 0 to 1. This is the P2 property. What is the P2 property? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to a to c plus b to c, same as it is. So that is 2 integrations split into the 2 integration, here split into the 3 or more. So 0 0 cancel, minus 1 to 1. So mod of x cube minus x dx plus integral 1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. 0 0 cancel, minus 1 to 1. 1 1 cancel, minus 1 to 2. Total E0 cancel, E1 cancel, minus 1 to 2 directly. Okay. So in first integration, these are negative or positive, decide is minus or plus. These 3 integrations are which one is positive, which one is negative. Okay. So minus 1 to 0. In between taken one value minus 1 by 2. Integral minus 1 to 0. Integral minus 1 to 0, we have to take one value, in between value. Take and we substitute in the value. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X cube minus x is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by a2 minus 1 by a2 plus 1 by 2. So is positive. 1 by 2 is the bigger than the 1 by 8. So this is positive. So this value x cube minus x value is positive, means the total integration value also positive. So that is equal to integral minus 1 to 0, remove the modulus. Next, this is step 1. Next to step 2. What is step 2? 0 to 1. 0 to 1 we have take any value. Substitute x cube minus x is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube minus 1 by 2. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 is negative. Value is negative or positive? This is mean negative. Negative means minus integral 0 to 1 x cube minus x dx. Next, the same way 1 to 2. In between 1 to 2 take one value 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus x is also positive. 3 by 2 whole cube 27 by 3. 27 by 8 1.5 is positive. So plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. These are procedure. How to decide? Minus plus. Okay. This procedure. X cube integration x power 4 by 5, x integration x square by 2 over integral minus 2 to 0. Same x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 over the integral 0 to 1 plus x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 over the integral 1 to 2. First to 0. Upper limit, big bracket, the total value. First upper limit 0 0. Okay, minus lower limit minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is first one completed. Minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power even number is equal to plus 1. No? Minus 1 whole power odd number is equal to minus 1. Minus first upper limit 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 minus 0 plus 2 power 4 16 by 2 4 minus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to power minus half is equal to minus of minus plus of minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus plus. Next plus 4 minus 2 2. 4 minus 2 2. 4 minus 2 2. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to is to 1 minus plus 1 by 4. LCM 4. 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1, that is equal to 11 by 4. This is answer. Some lengthy but important. Okay. So integral minus 1 to 1 sin power 5 cos power 4 x dx. Today all problems are important. So Friday exam total integration. Which property? This problem has which property? P7. What is P7? Integral minus a to a. Here see minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 means what is the property? Minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of x dx when f of minus x is equal to f of x, equal to 0 when f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Even function, odd function. What is the even function? F of minus x is equal to f of x means even, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x means odd function. So direct this is the f of minus x value. I have to calculate f of minus x. So that value is equal to minus f of x means the total value of the integration is 0. So first let f of x is equal to sin power 5x into cos power 4x. F of minus x is equal to sin power 5x means sin x whole power 5 and cos power 4 means what? Cos x whole power 4. So in the f of x function x instead of minus x, x bodulu minus x apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sin of minus x whole power 5 cos of minus x whole power 4. So that is equal to sin of minus theta formula. N formula sine of minus theta is equal to minus theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, the formula. So sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x whole power 5. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 5 is equal to minus 1. No, minus 1 whole power odd number is equal to minus 1. No. So minus sine power 5x into cos power 4x. So f of minus x is equal to what? Minus f of x. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x means value is what? 0. So integral minus 1 to 1 sine power 5x into cos power 4x dx. So equal to what? 0. Very, very important question. At the same time, this is also integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 7x dx. So this is also same procedure. This is also odd function, value 0 you will do. Okay. Next problem. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. This is which property? Property P6. What is the P6? Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral to a 0 to a f of x dx when f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x. Here 2a is equal to what? 2 pi. Okay. That value is equal to given function f of x means 2 into 0 to a and continue the process. Otherwise 0. Where f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. At the same way, f of 2a minus x is equal to not f of x, minus f of x means that value 0. So, solution I is equal to first f of x. F of x is equal to cos power 5x dx. So, f of 2a minus x is equal to 2 pi minus x is equal to 2 pi minus x. So, x is equal to 2 pi minus x. Cos of 2 pi minus x whole power 5. 2 pi is equal to 360. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta is a fourth quadrant. 360 plus theta for first quadrant. 360 minus theta is a fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, all silver teacups. C for cos. Cos positive. Cos positive. 2 pi means cos same. Don't change. So, cos power 5x. So, what is the cos power 5x means what? f of x. So f of 2a minus x value equal to the what? Equal to f of x. So f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x means what? Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a 2a 0 to pi cos power 5x dx. Again apply the formula. F of x is equal to cos power 5x. So f of 2a minus x is equal to, or a minus x is equal to 2a minus x is equal to 0 to 2a. Okay. So f of pi minus x is equal to cos of pi minus x whole power 5. Cos 180 minus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant cos negative. So minus cos x whole power 5. So minus cos power 5x. So that is equal to what? Minus f of x. So f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x means what is the answer? That value 0. So integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx is equal to 2 into that value 0. So totally 0. So this is also not not come minus f of x. Now minus f of x not come. So again continue the process. 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Same procedure. Okay. 1. So tomorrow 6 marks questions how to asking in public examination. 6 marks questions and another some more important problems. Okay. So thank you.